Welcome to the enchanting El Retiro Park in Madrid, Spain. Ready to uncover some mind-blowing secrets and hidden gems? Stick around because what you're about to discover will make you see this park in a whole new light. Picture this, a park that is not just a beautiful green escape, but also a historical playground with royal whispers, artistic wonders, and wait for it, the statue of Lucifer. Yep, you heard that right. We're diving deep into El Retiro Park, and trust me, every minute is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. So, you might be wondering, what are the absolute must-see spots in El Retiro Park? What intriguing historical tells are hidden there? And how can you make the most of your visit and find these secret spots? Well, hang tight because by the end of this video, you'll have all those answers and more. Let's get started. I've spent many hours digging into El Retiro Park's history, exploring every nook and cranny, and gathering the coolest stories just for you. So let's embark on this adventure together. Here's what I have lined up for you. Dive deep into the park's royal origins and its glamorous past. Discover the top attractions that will leave you in awe. Get insider tips for the best times to visit and secret spots. Let's kick things off with a blast from the past. Did you know El Retiro was once the private playground of King Philip IV in the 17th century? Imagine the lavish parties and serene strolls that took place right here. The Crystal Palace, built for exotic plants from the Philippines, still stands as a testament to those opulent times. Now here's the fun part. This royal history isn't just interesting, it adds a whole new dimension to your visit. Next up, let's float over to one of the park's highlights. Renting a boat and rowing across this beautiful lake is a must. And don't forget to take in the stunning monument to Alfonso XII. Then, just when you think it can't get better, we have the magical rose garden with over 4,000 blooming roses. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Pro tip here, the best times to visit, early mornings or late afternoons, especially in spring and autumn. For a peaceful retreat, find the hidden gems like the Jardines de Cecilio Rodriguez. Here's where it gets really interesting. For a mysterious and dark twist, make sure you visit the fallen angel statue. One of the few in the world dedicated to Lucifer. And can you believe this? It sits at exactly 666 meters above sea level. What do you think about that? I don't know about you, but that gives me chills. Now, here's something truly whimsical. Legend has it that El Retiro Park is home to a mischievous elf. Locals say that if you wander through the park at dusk, you might catch a glimpse of this playful spirit causing a bit of harmless trouble, maybe moving a bench or hiding small items. This elf adds a sprinkle of magic and mystery to the park, so keep your eyes open and your imagination ready. Enjoyed our tour of El Retiro Park? Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome travel tours around Spain and the rest of the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next trip together.